Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto rate video. This video make for a new um, investment mining site. If you want to joining this site, you get in mass profit from this site. And this site is newly site, so don't miss out to join this site. If you want to earn in cryptocurrency, so I hope you will watching my video. Every day I try to publish any video in investment and non-investment video, so don't miss out. First off, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel. It has two part, one part crypto related video uploaded in this and other part travel related video uploaded in this. And if you get any information, those please subscribe and press the bell icon. You will get all notification in every day. So don't miss out and keep watching my video. Now I uh, introduce this site. This site is Passion F1. Is the newly mining site. I have already 35 cent on. So if you want to earn from this site, you get deposit in this site. Many of the feature available here, so don't miss out. Here is a lovely bonus from this company shared with you. So uh, here is the many of field here for earning this site. Have you first of checking on, and uh, also other lucky chance invitation. If you here is the invite you announce invite to is a go. Here is a one time. If you join in this site, you get one times lucky draw. Okay. So I request you very simple earning from this site. Here is a Telegram group. If you want to join this site, you easily join this site. Here is a Telegram site, and other here is a more big profit to share with you from invitation. Okay, if you invite any member, you get lot of earning from this site, and also the invitation profit 8% share with you. So I hope you will be invited any member and join now. So other information shared with you. Here is a other information. If you deposit this site, you got $10. And other request to you, if you when you join this site, you get 10 USDT free from company, and this validity for 10 days. If you deposit in this site, you at least 15 USD deposit in this site. Here is a profit share 0.035% in hourly, and you daily income 0.84. It's $1 something. Right. So this validity 30 is newly mining site and newly more bonus from this site. So now I show you how to profit this site. If you deposit $5,000 invest and Macaroon package buy, you get every day $12. Okay, so very simple you investment on this. Okay, another of first of you buy to first option. Okay, so now how to join this, please my come to my video discussion link and click this option. And also every day upload about video, so don't miss out. Now share you with you how to joining process. Here is my joining how to join this site. Type your mobile. Okay, somehow if you know uh, 84 and 74. Now type my password. Okay, I will have this all information. Now click this register option. Yes, registration success. Now how to earn from this? Please click this option. Okay, login successful. Okay, now what do you? Okay, automatically you got here is mining. Okay, his math here is math show validity, and also daily income show, daily other all information show here. So it's mass profit, you can mass profit from this side. And now you get a first of check this option, checking option. Okay, yes, you get a 0.1 USDT. Okay, every day you come and check it. I think you get a 0.01 balance. Okay, now what do you? Here is a this option and other option. Okay, click this option. Lucky win. Here is one time you have show here. So click now. If you get big money from this side, if you get this. So now click this. Okay, waiting. Pay for me. I got. Oh, I got. It's only for one time. Okay. Okay. So don't say if you have you any uh, any invitation, any member, please click this. Okay, here is a invite after gift show here, so don't mention. I already account available here, this account for any another person, so I also open this for he could not open this account. Is a lucky chance for more earning, so don't miss out. Is your very valuable day. Is withdraw 10 USDT. Okay, and on your back account, set your bank account. Okay, so type your bank. Okay, T30 USDT. Okay, so if you withdraw in T30 USDT, you can choose this. Okay, amount and password. Okay, so here is the other option, bank Pakistan. This side is Pakistan side. Okay, so don't miss out, join this side and more earning from this side. That's the end of video. So what's the thinking about this site? Please type my video comment box. Have you a question? Have you any face any problem? Please type my video comment box. I also try to reply with you. Please join now and keep watching my every video. So press the bell icon. Take care of yourself. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.